welcome to our briefing with Catherine Bragg, who's the Deputy Emergency Relief Coordinator for the Office for the Coordination of Humanitarian Affairs. As you know, Catherine's here to brief you on the situation in Chile and to take your questions. So please, over to you.
Thank you very much.
We have about half an hour.
Great, wonderful. Thank you very much for being here. And I understand that Alicia Basana was here yesterday, the Executive Secretary of ACLAC, so I will not be covering what she had already covered yesterday. But just to give you an update from yesterday, the confirmed deaths from the government's figures is now 723 people. 2 million people affected, 1.5 million homes damaged to some extent. At the moment, 19 UN staff are unaccounted for. That is a very encouraging number because as of yesterday was still over 60, but it's now down to 19, and all of them are members of ACLAC. In terms of the response to the earthquake, the rescue and relief efforts is firmly in the hands of the government of Chile. This is a very strong government. They have very strong institutions. Chile is probably the best disaster-prepared country in Latin America, and so we need to respect their capability to be able to handle the situation. And I think they're handling it very well. Following their preliminary assessment, the government of Chile had requested very targeted priority items, and they include field hospitals equipped with surgery facilities, autonomous dialysis centers, generators, field camps, satellite phones and related stations, structural damage evaluation systems, saltwater purification system, mobile bridges, and field kitchens. The government is expecting that these needs will be filled largely through bilateral arrangements, and we need to stay within the parameters of what the country has asked for and not to send anything that they didn't ask for. The UN stands ready to support in every way possible. It has been in constant contact with the government from the first days, and the Executive Secretary of ACLAC has been on the phone with the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and the Minister himself multiple times a day since the first day of the earthquake. OCHA has deployed a very small team to support the Executive Secretary and the resident coordinator and the UN country team as well. The government is handling the situation, and the UN will do its best to support it based on what we will be asked. For example, the UNCT has supplied the government with a list of what each of the 22 agencies currently operating in the country could offer. And so far, some of the tangible contributions consisted of, for example, PAHO working with the government of Argentina to arrange for field hospitals, and PAHO itself is organizing 4 other field hospitals. As Alicia might have mentioned yesterday, that we have also offered some satellite phones. OCHA has been in close touch with the permanent mission here in New York as well as in Geneva. The government is well aware of the services that the humanitarian system can offer, and we stand ready to help them in every way possible.